Now we'll continue with question number 31. We'll continue with question number 31 in this part 11 of chemistry. I'm giving you expected questions, Expo questions on chemistry for this year's JAMB exam. As a JAMB candidate, you cannot do without chemistry if you are science, if you are a serious student. So I am helping you to prepare you. You enter the hall, smash the exam, make maximum points, and find yourself in the university. Let's move on. Question number 31. The chlorinated alkene often used industrially to remove grease is dash: A. Tetrachloromethane, B. Chloromethane, C. Tetrachloromethane, B. Chloromethane, C. Trichloromethane, D. Dichloromethane. The answer is A. Tetrachloromethane is an effective solvent within the chemical industry. Just write this thing down. And is used to clean machinery and electrical equipment. That is to say that it functions as a solvent for oil, fats and liquors, varnishes, rubber waxes and resins, and as a grain fumigant. Let's go to question number 33. Are you following? Remember, what you are watching is something that connects directly with your exam, your JAMB exam. And how you perform in your JAMB exam, of course you already know, will influence whether you will waste 1 year at home or whether you will enter into the university. I know some of you are doing your best, but I need you to pay attention. Pay attention to this video, right? Our goal is for you to write this exam, smash the exam, and get 300 and above. No stories, no 150 or 130 in JAMB. No. Last year, 1.something million persons registered for this exam, and only 1.4 were able to pass. 1.4 failed. 1.4 got less than 200. Okay? This year, 2.something million persons has already registered for JAMB. You can see that the competition for admission is bigger this year, and I need you to, even if it's only 500,000 persons that enter school, or only 8,000 or 10,000, you people watching these videos in Noble Tutorial will be one of them. You watching this video will be one of them. I want you to claim it. Claim that you will be one of those that must gain admission this year in your preferred school and in the preferred course. They will not give you a different course. Claim it. Type I claim it in the comment section. Protein in acid solution undergo dash. Protein in acid solution undergo dash: A. Substitution, B. Fermentation, C. Hydrolysis, D. Polymerization. When you put protein in an acid, it undergoes hydrolysis. That is C. Acid hydrolysis refers to hydrolysis reaction occurring under acidic condition. Acid hydrolysis of a protein breaks the polymer down into its constituent amino acid. In organic chemistry, acid hydrolysis is a hydrolysis process in which a protic acid is used to catalyze the cleavage of a chemical bond via a nucleophilic substitution reaction with the addition of the elements of water. For example, in the conversion of cellulose or starch to glucose. Are you there? Question 34. The general formula for alkanals is dash. This is something you see in organic chemistry. Okay, remember, keep your textbook and read it too. Watch this video, very important, but don't forget your textbook and past question. That is why at the end of this, if you watch this video to the end, I will also give you a gift. Past questions. You can't do without it. I'll give you free JAMB past questions and free JAMB syllabus in chemistry, in use of English, and the other 2 subjects you are writing. Just watch this. I'm giving these things to you to prepare you. My dream is for you to enter school. I want you to come back into this our group, this our family on YouTube, Noble Tutorials, with a testimony. You will be one of those that will be proud of your results. You will say, I scored 300, I scored 320, I scored 333. We will be proud. We will celebrate you. Okay? The general formula for alkanals is B is the general formula. RCHO. RCHO. Alkanes, aldehydes have the general formula RCHO, while alkanones or ketones have the general formula RCOR. So alkanes is alkanes. For alkanes, they end with HO. Then alkanones or ketones end with OR, where R and R may be alkyne or array groups. I'm sure you are following. When cathode rays are deflected onto the electrode of an electrometer, the element becomes dash. When cathode rays are deflected onto the electrode of an electrometer, the element becomes dash. A. Bipolar. B. Negatively charged. C. Positively charged. D. Neutral. The answer is positively charged. Cathode rays will cause positive charge. When those cathode rays are deflected onto an electrode of an electrometer, the instrument measured a negative charge. The rays tested also are deflected by the application of an electric field. 36. When a solid substance, anything I say you don't understand, you have two options. Ask me in the comment section or consult your textbook. You can also ask Google, ChatGPT. Just use every method possible to get yourself ready. Why I keep giving you these videos is that even though I want you to pass, I cannot be there with you in the exam hall. So all I can do is to give you these videos before you enter exam. It's more like an expo. It's more like an eye opener for you. When a solid substance disappears completely as a gas on heating, the substance is said to have undergone dash. When a solid substance disappears completely as a gas on heating, that means you get a solid and heat it and it disappears and become gas without becoming liquid though. The gas is said to have undergone A. Sublimation. B. Crystallization. D. C. Distillation. D. Evaporation. The answer is sublimation. Sublimation. Sublimation is the transition of a substance directly from solid to the gas state without passing through the liquid state. I have more explanation to make, but I won't do that because I have an assignment for you. I want you to write these 4 things down. I've made them bold on the screen. Write sublimation down and define it for me in the comment section. Then write crystallization down and define it for me in the comment section. Then write distillation down and define it for me in the comment section. Then write evaporation down and give me the definition. There's a reason. Any assignment I give, some of you will jump and pass and watch another video. No. Pause. Write it down and give me the answer. I need you to make the research. I've already seen something in the coming exam that made me to pick this question. So go and find that for me. Okay, question number 37. Are you still here? Are you still following? Are these videos I'm making beneficial? If they are beneficial and you want me to make more videos, tell me to write down. Just type write down and I will continue. If they are beneficial, please tell me that they are helpful to you. It will encourage me to make more videos. It will help me to know that I am not wasting my time. Okay? An electron can be added to a halogen atom to form a halide. An electron can be added to a halogen atom to form a halide ion with dash. A. 8 valence electrons. B. 7 valence electrons. C. 2 valence electrons. D. 3 valence electrons. The answer is A. 8 valence electrons. A halide ion is a halogen atom bearing a negative charge. Note, the halide ions are fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide, and astadide. Such ions are present in all ionic halide salts. Halide minerals contain halides. Let me mention them again. Fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide, and astadide. Let me mention again the final time. The halide ions are fluoride, chloride, bromide, iodide, and astadide. We are done with question 37. Question 38. I want to believe you are following. If you are following, let me know. Aluminium hydroxide is used in the dyeing industry as dash. Aluminium hydroxide is used in the dyeing industry as dash. A. Dye. B. Dispersant. C. Salt. D. Mordant. Aluminium hydroxide is actually used as a mordant. That is D. Aluminium hydroxide is used as a mordant in dyeing. Now write it down. Write mordant. M-O-R-D-A-N-T. M-O-R-D-A-N-T. Give me the definition. What? Define a mordant. What is a mordant? What is a mordant? You already know that aluminum hydroxide is used as a mordant. So what is a mordant? Tell me in the comment section. Are you still with me? Are you still here? Question 39. The most important element in the earth's crust, this earth, this soil, the surface of the earth, I mean the crust of the earth. The most important element in the earth's crust is that A. Nitrogen, B. Hydrogen, C. Oxygen, D. Fluorine. The answer is oxygen. Oxygen is by far the most important element in Earth's crust at 46.6%, nearly half of the mass of the crust. So at the crust, if I were you, make a research. What is the Earth crust? Explain what you understand by Earth crust for me in the comment section. Please note these assignments and don't jump them. You may jump an assignment I gave, and when you enter the hall, it will be greeting you as question number 5. Question 40. Remember, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you free JAMB past question and free JAMB syllable. And what you are watching now is part 11. I've done quite a lot of videos on chemistry. Part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6, part 7, part 8, and part 9, 10, and now 11. After number 11, we also did part 12, part 13, and so on. If you need me to give you access to all those videos I've done so that you can begin from part 1 to watch, just tell me in the comment section. Tell me to give you access. Give me the link to all the videos I've done on chemistry. Also, if you need the videos we have done on biology, on chemistry, on the JAMB novel, on use of English, we have done quite a lot, both for art students, science students, every subject we have handled, literature, government, all of them, economics, biology, mathematics, any one of them you want me to give you, just tell me to give you access to all the videos we have done, and you mention that subject. I could do that for you, right? As a way of helping you. I'm really passionate. I'm really committed to you entering school this year. To obtain pure carbon 2 oxide from each mixture with carbon 4 oxide, the mixture should be dashed. If you want to separate carbon 2 oxide from carbon 4 oxide, that means to obtain carbon 2 oxide from carbon 4 oxide when they are mixed, there should be dashed. A. Pass over heated copper 2 oxide. B. Bubbled through water. C. Bubbled through concentrated sodium H2SO4. That's tetraoxosulfuric acid. Bubbled through sodium oxide, sodium hydroxide. Is it passed through heated copper 2 oxide? Is it bubbled through water? Is it bubbled through sodium tetraoxosulfuric acid? Or is it bubbled through sodium hydroxide? The answer is simple. D. When you want to separate copper 2 oxide from carbon 2 oxide from carbon 4 oxide, just do this simply. D. Bubble it through concentrated sodium hydroxide. Carbon monoxide, that is carbon oxide 2 oxide, is prepared with carbon 4 oxide by passing the latter through red hot carbon, and the unchanged CO2 is removed from the mixture of the gases through concentrated sodium hydroxide. In part 12, we will continue from where we stopped. Remember the assignments I gave you. To get the free JAMB past question and JAMB syllables, remember to do 4 things. Those 4 things are very important. Number 1 is compulsory. Number 1, join our YouTube channel. See joining the YouTube channel as an investment, because when you join, you will see there are videos we post that everybody cannot see except those that have joined our YouTube channel. And when you join, you will have free access to ask me your questions. Okay, so go ahead and click on join. You can see the option to join. Don't dodge it. Don't say it is too much. Just join our YouTube channel. See it as an investment. Number 2, when you have joined our YouTube channel, come like this video. Click on like this video. Number 3, share this video. Click on share this video here on YouTube, then come back, click on share again, copy the link, share it on WhatsApp, share it the link on Facebook group, share it on WhatsApp platform, share it on Telegram channels, share it on all the platforms where JAMB candidates are gathered. Anywhere JAMB candidates gather, your classroom, your friends writing JAMB, help them by sharing this video to them. Then finally, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Number 1, join. Number 2, like. Number 3, share. Number 4, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once you subscribe to our YouTube channel, come under the comment of this video and type "I have subscribed." But remember to submit the assignments I gave. So come under the comment of this video and type "I have subscribed." Once I see you type "I've subscribed," I will chat you up and send to you all those materials, free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question. There's a video on the screen. Click on it now and watch.